Ever wondered how AI robots are changing everything? Hold on to your seats because today I'm diving into the incredible ways these futuristic machines are revolutionizing our world. First up, let's talk about work. AI robots are transforming industries from the ground up. In manufacturing, robots like the ones from Boston Dynamics are making production faster, safer, and more efficient. No more mundane, repetitive tasks for humans. Leave that to the bots. With AI's precision, we're seeing fewer errors and higher quality products. Imagine an assembly line that never gets tired or distracted. That's the power of AI-driven robots. But it's not just about factory floors. In the healthcare sector, AI robots are literally saving lives. Robotic surgeons are performing intricate operations with pinpoint accuracy. These machines can assist doctors by providing real-time data analysis, ensuring every decision is backed by the latest medical research. Plus, they can operate 24/7, offering critical support even during late-night emergencies. It's like having a superhuman assistant ready to help at any moment. Let's not forget about our daily lives. Have you heard of smart home robots? Companies like iRobot and Amazon are developing AI assistants that can do everything from cleaning your house to managing your schedule. Imagine coming home to a spotless house with your dinner perfectly cooked and your laundry folded. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI robots, that dream is quickly becoming a reality. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges too. As AI robots become more integrated into our lives, we face questions about job displacement and ethical concerns. It's crucial to find a balance where humans and robots can coexist and complement each other. So, are AI robots changing everything? Absolutely. They are reshaping industries, enhancing healthcare, and making our daily lives easier. But the journey is just beginning. The future holds endless possibilities, and I can't wait to see what's next. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of AI robots, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights.